Right, here we go, guys. The Asian China session analysis for the 20th of Jan. Now, starting off with euro dollar, you can see up here in the later part of the day today. To be honest, for most of the part of the day, from 8 o'clock onwards, there wasn't much movement in the market. Market was very consolidated. But here we go. This is where we see possible entries for trade. Generally, you've got levels up here, so you'd want to go here, 3 touch, and as it shows you, you can see up here, nice level, boom. Okay, so you've got a lot of touches. I mean, even if you go all the way up here, so that's a nice level here, giving you probably 3, 4, 5 touches here. So good resistance at this level. And then if it does rise from here upwards of there, you'd look for a long. Otherwise, it's going to be wedge breakout on the bottom up underneath the 200 EMA, this white line, and then a retest before we go short. USD CAD, we've got again sort of a breakout phase here as well. You can see kind of consolidated. It's working in a range almost. I mean, you've had a good breakout up here. You had a pullback after that, but then it went all the way up to the 200 EMA line again. So we're gonna say that seeing where we are. Again, if we were to go from here or shorten the level from here, that gives us a good level as well. And from here, this way. Here is the level, that's where I see it. You wanted to break this part over here. I mean, the way the momentum is, you'd rather have it come over the 200 EMA line you can see up here again and then retest before we go long. Otherwise, you could see it could very well carry on down here. As I'm being underneath that 200 EMA line, it's tested that already. So if this was to go back down to short, breaking the wedge, I would carry on short. Kiwi dollar again consolidated, quite consolidated again. There wasn't a lot of movement today as well. Going forward, if you were to see a wedge breakout, again you can see strong level, lot of touches at this level. Definitely here. Again, why this kind of range? Because you've got momentum that's turned red. It will need to kind of come above here, retest, and then for long. Because you can see it's created a wedge, strong wedge up here, lots of touches here in this level. So definitely going above and retesting is important. And then below here, with the momentum, again, we've got one thing we've got to remember. It is consolidated. It is in the red zone, fourth phase, so it will cross most likely. You'd want to go for the counter long or going long from this point with Kiwi dollar. USD yen again consolidated, very consolidated. You can see up here lots of touches at this level. So you definitely want a breakout. I mean, to be honest, even if you said straight up here, big level, that'd be enough, because you've got a lot of touches, So if it stays above the again 200 EMA, you can see up here. If it stays above, if it does a breakout, does a pullback, and then goes above this level, then you could say carry through. Otherwise, below, you'd want to retest underneath the 200 EMA and then carry through. Euro yen, Euro yen is again kind of in consolidation mode. Again, breakout. You look for a breakout opportunity at this level. That's what I mean. Um, Here's the level again. You can see very clearly. You have a symmetric triangle. Possibly not a symmetric triangle, but definitely a triangle. Breakout, triangle, wedge breakout. Again, given the momentum here, you'd rather have it break down underneath the 200 EMA and then retest to carry through for short. Otherwise, it will break up above here to go for long. Here again. Pound franc. Pound franc has, as we can see, quite literally just done a breakout, possibly. So you'd want to look at this level again. You can see lots of touches here. And even if you leave this here, you can see definitely here is the level. You could say, or it could retest at this level for long again, or it could also, if we were to do from here, firstly, the retest can take place at this level as well for long. You can see there's many retests taking place right now, but wait for it to go up and then carry through. That would be pound franc, right, guys? Okay, so that was the analysis for the 20th Jan Asian trading session. Best of luck. Any questions, guys? Get in touch. Place to go to is www.forexeasytrades.com. We literally you don't not only get support and guidance in live trading. Live trading, you've got an analyst, award-winning analyst, this London Forex Trade Show 2019 winner here. That's the gentleman who basically will give you live analysis day in, day out on the London Open session and the New York Open. And not only that, but you learn a lifelong skill. It's the amount of help you get and support you get in a hurling. You've got a great amount of information up here that you can go through at your own um, thing, and then analysis that are recorded and uploaded each day, just so that you can actually get quite a good a bit of coaching every day as part of those analysis for you to know what goes on, how it happens, how does the market move, what are the trends to look at, what are the patterns to look at, what kind of momentum you should be possibly giving your best shot at. So a lot, guys, to learn. But that's what it's about. It's not about taking you to the fish. It's about teaching you how to fish, and that's what it's about. So go to www.forexeasytraders.com. Otherwise, get in touch with me. If you see this video, leave a message, and then we can see how we can help you learn the trade. All right. Best of luck, guys.